Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Winter is a time to cook stews, casseroles, chilies, meat sauces, soups, and other hearty dishes. They're cooked slowly and fill the air with their beautiful aromas. It's so comforting. There's a recipe that is perfect for this season with a fabulous combination of ingredients, making it so flavorful. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my beef coconut curry. This is an amazing comfort food to make. Cooked long and slow in a rich savory sauce, the beef is so moist and tender. Served with rice and flatbread, this is a tasty curry to enjoy this winter. So my friends, let's get cooking. This is our beef blade steak that we trimmed and cubed, and we'll season generously with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper before moving on to the stove. In a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, we'll add a couple tablespoons of oil, maybe a little bit more, and when it gets hot, working in batches, we'll add our well-seasoned beef cubes. We'll saute them until no longer pink. It won't take long, maybe 1.5 minutes. Now, using a slaughter spoon, we'll scoop them up into a bowl and set them aside while working with the remaining cubes. Here I'm doing the second batch, so if there's not enough oil, add some more, okay? When the meat is done, we'll add some ghee, reduce the heat to medium, add yellow onions, and sprinkle on a small pinch of ground sea salt. We'll saute them for only 1 minute. While we do that, we can start scraping the bottom of the pot to dislodge any brown bits. To this, we'll add red peppers and green peppers. Then cook the veggies for 3 minutes. What beautiful colors. Before adding minced ginger and pressed garlic, which will quickly saute for only 1 minute. The next ingredients we'll add are Madras curry paste and tomato paste. Now, I have a great solution when there's leftover, so click on the top right corner of your screen to get it. We'll stir until everything is nicely blended and the veggies are well coated. It smells amazing. Okay, so now we'll return the meat, including any accumulated juices, and mix them in with the rest of the ingredients. Next, we'll pour in coconut milk, followed by low-sodium beef broth, and we'll also add brown sugar. Not a lot, though. We'll stir well, and oh my goodness, I almost forgot. We'll add a can of diced tomatoes. They're a must for this recipe. And now we can stir the ingredients. We'll bring the mixture to a boil, then cover, reduce the heat to medium-low, and let it simmer gently for 1.5 hours. During the cooking time, we'll revisit our curry and give a good stir. If the mixture is simmering too rapidly, we'll reduce the heat. We want to cook it nice and slow. When time is up, we'll add our cornstarch mixture and stir until the curry thickens. About 45 to 60 seconds. I'm not kidding you. It's that fast. We'll serve with rice and naan bread, garnish with chopped cilantro, sliced Fresno chilies, which is totally optional, and a couple lime wedges. And my friends, this is our beef coconut curry. This is comfort food at its best. With an incredible aroma, This is a recipe perfect to make during the colder months of the year. Although most curries are made with chicken, this beef version is absolutely delicious. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!